Meet the two newest members of BLACK+DECKER's 20-volt max system of high-performance tools. Our new 1- and 2-speed drill drivers offer the same speed of prior models, but they're lighter and more compact. Easy to use and comfortable, a mid-handle design gives these drill drivers a balanced feel and great maneuverability. A keyless chuck makes bit changes quick and easy. An 11-position clutch helps to keep the screws from stripping, and an LED light helps to illuminate your workspace. These and a host of other convenient features make completing projects easy. Use the 1-speed model for common DIY tasks, or the 2-speed model for more demanding jobs. Either way, BLACK+DECKER's new 20-volt max drill drivers give you the speed you know in a compact design you'll love. Part of the 20-volt max system, works with your existing BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max power tools and outdoor equipment.
Make tough work seem easy with the CRAFTSMAN V20 20-volt max drill driver. This drill is powered by a high-performance motor, producing 320 unit watts out for completing a variety of applications. It features a 2-speed gearbox for speed of fastening and a 1/2-inch ratcheting chuck for improved bit retention. The LED light improves visibility in dark work areas. At the end of the workday, it can be stored just within reach. Tackle your next project with the CRAFTSMAN V20 20-volt max drill driver.
A cordless drill is probably the most useful power tool any household could have. This RYOBI 1+ drill driver is ideal for drilling in wood, metal, or plastic, as well as taking care of all your screw driving needs. A 13mm keyless chuck makes it quick and easy to fit a wide selection of accessories. And with up to 50 Nm torque, it has plenty of power to drill even large holes quickly. The variable speed trigger and 2-speed gearbox mean you're always in control. When screw driving, you can use the 24 torque settings to regulate the power of the drill, allowing you to set the screws exactly where you want them. Whenever the trigger is pulled, a handy LED lights up your work area. And thanks to the magnetic tray and bit holder, you can always have screws and accessories close to hand. If you're new to the 1+ system, you can pick this drill up as a starter kit with batteries and a charger. Otherwise, this drill is also sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your 1+ collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the 1+ system of over 50 great tools for your home and garden, this super versatile 18-volt drill driver will work with any 1+ battery.
Milwaukee introduces the M18 Compact Brushless Drill and Impact Driver that are more compact with longer runtime. The M18 Compact Brushless Drill and Impact Driver are more compact, with the drill measuring only 6.5 inches and the Impact Driver measuring 5.1 inches. They are ideal for overhead applications or working in tight spaces. Proprietary brushless motor technology combined with M18 CP 2.0 red lithium batteries delivers longer runtime and longer tool life than brush drills and impacts, allowing you to get more done and make fewer trips to the charger. An all-metal gear case and chuck gives you the durability you demand on the job site. Milwaukee's patented RedLink intelligence with overload protection and temperature management protects your investment to ensure that the tool and battery are safeguarded during the most demanding applications. The Milwaukee M18 Compact Brushless Drill Driver and Impact Driver. More compact and longer runtime.
Introducing the Ridgid Octane Hammer Drill, delivering best-in-class torque with octane power and intelligence. To make this tool intelligent, we designed a processor capable of identifying the battery's power output, allowing the tool to maximize current in high-demand applications. With a powerful next-generation brushless motor, we unleashed a tremendous 1,300 inch-pounds of torque, while generating less heat and wear for longer motor life. The micro-clutch design increases torque control, giving the user over 100 settings, thanks to precision gearing built into the slip clutch. The rugged 3-piece design is built to handle whatever the job site throws at it. and an ambidextrous mode selector allows the user to quickly switch modes in any position, while the 360-degree chuck light is designed to provide shadow-free visibility to the workpiece. We designed Octane terminals to deliver maximum power and intelligence when paired up with Ridgid Octane batteries. This smart communication starts with an electronic handshake. The instant the trigger is pressed, the battery and tool identify each other, raising power output to overcome high-demand applications. When other hammer drills are slow to deliver, the Ridgid Octane hammer drill powers through quickly, delivering over 65% more power when paired with Octane batteries. The Ridgid Octane hammer drill delivers best-in-class torque with extreme power and intelligence, and is compatible with all Ridgid 18-volt batteries. And available only at the Home Depot. Powerful, durable, professional.